Meaning of Democratic Party.
Democratic Party.
Democratic Party.
Democratic Party.
Democratic Party. The Democratic Party is one of the two major political parties in the United States. The party promotes social and economic equality, individual rights, and the protection of civil liberties. It was founded in 1828 and has historically represented the interests of the working class, minorities, and marginalized groups. The party has been associated with progressive policies such as universal healthcare, climate change action, and comprehensive immigration reform. In recent years, the party has become more ideologically diverse, spanning from the moderate establishment to the progressive left.